Okay, guys, this is the EAS test. Last one of the summer. I'm on the camera right now. Hey guys, this is Storm Dude 74 along with
Super ES Fan 24.
and we're here waiting for the test. And this is the grand finale. It's been a great summer with lots of EAS alerts. Here it is.
Here we go, guys. This is a test of the NOAA weather radio warning alarm. During periods of potentially severe weather, special receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests for these receivers are normally conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there's a threat for severe weather on Wednesday, the test will be postponed until the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working condition. The tone alert will be activated for selected watches and warnings affecting the following counties: in Indiana, Porter, LaPorte, St. Joseph, Elkhart, LaGrange, Steuben, Stark, Marshall, Kosciuszko, Noble, DeKalb, Whitley, Allen, Wabash, Huntington, Wells, Adams, Grant, Blackford, NJ, in Ohio, Williams, Fulton, Defiant, Henry, Paulding, and Van Wert, and in Michigan, Berrien, Cass, St. Joseph, Branch, and Hillsdale. For more information, see our webpage at www.weather.gov/IWX and click on Weather Radio. We now return to normal programming. This is no weather radio station.
Okay. It's been a great severe weather season, great summer. In the forecast, there's not very many storm days. I think there's only one, and that's tomorrow. So it's been a great summer, guys, and I hope we all have a great school year and a great winter. See y'all later. Bye.